Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can remove the notification software like tabulas or other regular things from your Vivo T1 Pro. So to start, if you see something like that in your notification bar or something like that when you're trying to visit inside, just the spamming pop-ups, that means you have a notification software. And we can try to remove it by two ways: system settings and antivirus app. So I'm gonna show you the first method. We have to open the settings. Now go to the apps and tap on the CL apps. Check the list. If you see something strange, the app that you not have installed by yourself, the app that you not recognize the name of it, just open it, select uninstall. Click uninstall and tap on OK. After that, go back to the app list and now look for your web browser. Just tap on it, go to the storage and cache and tap on the clear storage. Tap on the clear data and OK. After that, your web browser should be free from notification software. But if that way doesn't work for you, you can also try to download antivirus app for you. So go to the Play Store and look for the best antivirus app for you and for your phone. I'm always using Avast, so we can launch it now. Tap on the green circle and allow permission. Tap on the switcher next to it to activate it and go back. Then choose always the deep scan, and after the scanning process, all of the unwanted software viruses should be deleted from your phone. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.